Hey guys, it's me, Jello Pinat, and welcome back to my channel. And in today's video, we're going to be talking about the Yeezy Boost 700 Mauve. Thank you so much for clicking on this video today, and I do hope you guys are having a wonderful day. And if bago ka dito, please make sure that you are subscribed. And if matagal ka na dito, maraming salamat for sticking with me. Yes, we have a new sneaker pickup. This is actually mine. Finally. Before we go on with the review, I would just like to make a huge shout out kay Mr. Benjamin Chua Jr. for selling me his pair. So this is actually brand new dead stock. I met the seller on APC or Adidas Philippines Community. Yun yung pinaka-nagustuhan ko dun eh. Brand new na siya and maganda pa ang price. So, syempre, auto-cap. Also, I would like to make a huge shoutout kay Mr. JV Kai for making the assist. And then, siya rin nakipag-meet sa seller. So, guys, maraming salamat sa pag-assist sa akin. And yeah, we finally have it. Well, sabi nila, this sneaker right here is underrated. Pero in reality, nung nakita ko sa pictures, medyo hindi ako ganun natuwa sa colorway. Like, yung silhouette na 700s, to be honest, marami na rin na may gusto. Like, this started off as the ugliest sneaker. Like, especially yung Wave Runner. Nung una talagang lahat ng tao parang, what? Hindi siya yung the usual na nare-release ng Adidas. And at the same time, it's a dad shoe. So, sumasabay siya sa dad shoe phase. Basically, it probably just grew on everybody, especially mga mahilig sa sneakers. It just grew on them. Kaya at the moment, medyo maganda na yung response nila sa silhouette na to. And then nung lumabas tong Mauve, a lot of people were on the fence like, maganda ba siya? Is it as good as they say? Or ikaw ba personally, what can you say? Tignan mo naman parang it's... When you say Mauve kasi, Mauve is another shade of purple. I don't see any purple. Wala akong makita kahit anong purple. Ang nakikita ko lang dito is chocolate brown. So anyways, without further ado, let's get into the review. This came in your Yeezy Boost 700 box. So makikita mo yung box ng 700 ay mas malaki kaysa sa 350 na box. I got a size 10.5. It's a half size up. Colorway is mauve. So let's talk about the upper. Alright, so the upper, hindi siya prime knit, okay? Wala. It's totally different uppers, different patches or different panels. First, here in the toe box, you will see it has a very good suede material. Parang long-haired suede. Also, it also has that suede mesh or suede materials running along dito sa lateral side and even dito sa medial side. After ng suede, makikita mo that it has this mesh, dark blue or grayish kind of mesh dito sa may toe box area pa rin. As well as dito rin sa gilid, sides niya. Dito sa malapit sa laces, dito sa lateral and medial side. It has that leather lace loop dito sa harapan and also has that overall mesh tongue. Now, this comes with like semi-bubble lace in dark gray. Kung daw nagkakamali, grayish kind of tone or something. On the laces are covered with leather material. Premium materials ang ginamit nila dito sa sneaker na to. It also features that 3M hit dito with if you take a picture of this with a flashlight, makikita mo that there's a 3 stripes. Actually, dito pa lang medyo nahalata mo na siya. Inside the sneaker, you will see a very padded and very comfortable sock liner. Inside the sneaker, it has an insole that says Adidas and the Yeezy branding. Moving towards the back of the sneaker, you will see this felt-like material dito sa parang design niya dito. And at the same time, itong part na to is leather as well. It has the same thing on the medial side. Continuing back on the sneaker, here's back area of the sneaker is this long-haired suede as well. Also has perforations and at the same time, a mesh dito sa likod, connecting it to the sock liner. Moving down dito sa midsole niya is this parang plastic cage or what, I don't know what they call them, TPU or EVA, I don't really know, basta plastic siya. And inside is the full boost midsole. Ngayon, ang beef ko lang, isa sa mga beef ko lang dito, is sana kinopya na lang din nila sa Wave Runner na meron silang, alam mo yun, additional paint job dito sa harapan. Pwede siguro gantong kulay nilagay nila dito. Moving back dito is this Volt Hit or accent dito sa likod. It runs the same from the lateral and the medial side. And then moving down on the midsole is you have this gum outsole. It has very good traction, and you will see also post boost pockets that shows you that it still has the boost midsole. Heel area, you will see this Adidas Performance logo. Now, my overall thoughts on this silhouette, I'm in between. I like it and I don't like it, honestly. I mean, yung dito sa Salt, medyo forgiving pa ako. Kasi una-una sa lahat, itong Salt, it doesn't come with boost, pero it's still comfortable. When I tried this on, I don't really feel the cushioning. Or does it need time? Let me know, guys. Let me know in the comment section down below if this one needs time to break in para lumambot siya. Pero for me, the first time that I tried it and I tried walking around, I don't really feel the comfort. I don't really feel the boost. And as well as the color blocking, for some people, it's nice. Also, one of the pros here is wala akong nakikitang part dito na mag-yellow or mag-discolor in time. However, ang isa ko lang din na gusto dito is masyado siya maraming suede, pero the suede is so good. The problem lang dito kasi talaga, guys, is kapag halimbawa you're wearing this sneaker and alam naman the sneaker looks so robust. Sobrang tibay ng itsura ng pagkakagawa niya. Kahit gusto mo siyang isabak like on a regular basis, unang-unang tatamaan dito is yung suede material dito. And once yung suede material is cooked, medyo mahirap siyang i-restore. Although there are some tutorials on how to restore suede. Next pros is it's very comfortable dito sa sock liner niya. Okay yung comfort niya, like hindi siya manunugat or anything. You can basically wear it the whole day. It's just that hindi lang masyadong responsive yung boost niya. I mean, feeling ko mas responsive pa ang Adiprene kesa dito. Let's talk about sizing now. Now, my size is at size 10 and I got a 10.5. This is wide foot friendly if you can see here. However, when I tried these on, saktong-sakto lang talaga ang 10.5 sa akin. Like, yes, meron ka pang space dito sa side, pero yung dito sa harapan, probably because of the toe box na medyo makapal siya, kaya sumakto lang sa akin yung 10.5. So, I would suggest, if you're narrow-footed, siguro you can go through to size with the sneaker, but if you are wide-footed, kahit wide foot friendly siya, go half size up to be safe. Now, my beef with the sneaker is, I guess, the colorway itself. Yun lang. Siguro yung for me. Like, this reminds me of a Merrell sneaker or Merrell shoe. Yung parang pang-hiking siya or pang-bundok or something, pang-trekking. Parang ganun yung dating niya sa akin. I don't know, just my personal opinion. When it comes to the comfort or cushioning, again, ulitin ko lang, I don't know if this needs time to break in. Pero for me, the first time I tried it, and I only used this once just for the on-foot shot ng video na to. Unlike yung ibang Boost sneakers na off the bat, mararamdaman mo na yung cushioning niya or yung responsiveness ng midsole niya. Ito, wala eh. Let me know sa baba talaga kung if you've experienced the same thing. Kung ang habol mo talaga dyan, it's just the comfort. Ang daming sneakers dyan like Ultra Boost, like Pure Boost, which are definitely more comfortable than this sneaker. Like, really comfortable. Like, I don't hate it. I'm not mad at it. It's just that alam mo yun, nandun ako sa gitna eh. So that's just my beef with the sneaker, and it's not a pretty bad shoe, but for its price, it's just too overpriced. Let me know your thoughts on this sneaker. Is it worth the cup, or is it worth buying anyway? Do you like the colorway? Brown ba siya o purple? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. Kung nagustuhan mo yung video na to, please make sure to smash that like button. Bago ka dito, please make sure that you are subscribed to my YouTube channel, and if matagal ka na rito, guys, maraming salamat for sticking with me. So I do hope you guys enjoy this unbiased review on this Yeezy Boost 700 Mauve. Maraming salamat for tuning in today, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace, guys.